My dear listeners and my respectable guests and students of Jamia Fazlul Uloom. My dear listeners, English is the mean of international communication, which means it is understood and spoken nearly all around the world. My dear listeners, English is the mean of international communication, which means it is understood and spoken nearly all around the world. My dear listeners, English is a medium instruction, that is to say language, that is other subject. For example, we can learn new things, gain awareness of the world's current affairs, keep up with the latest news, new information such as recent advances in medical science, new technology by using internet or media, that is all in English. My dear listeners, secondly, English is the second most important language, as it is the language of business, travel, science, medicine, information, technology, and so on. It is difficult to another language in that role. My dear listeners, you will be unable to keep up with the rapid changes and recent development without proper knowledge of English. So one should have a command of English to keep up with the recent of the world and keep up with it. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.